Hello, hello. My name is Jeff. I'm your Florida weather guide. This is your local forecast, and we're going to look at the national radar first. So let's take a look at that. And as you can see, the areas of showers and thunderstorms that were down in Miami and Key Largo, they are moving off into the Atlantic. And an area of just the very light showers and thunderstorms just south of Cape Coral are moving off into the Gulf. The rest of us are in just the light showers, sprinkles, and a light shower from time to time from Palm Bay to Tampa, Lake Wells, Orlando, Spring Hill, and just south of Daytona. We'll look at here and some rain chances for Friday coming up. But this has been your radar. So we'll look at that coming up. And we're going to go right into the HER model. Okay. So this is the one for tomorrow. Actually, this is 9 o'clock. So let's go look at what the 10 o'clock temperatures are going to look like coming up in about 5 minutes. So the temperatures looks like upper 70s northwest to lower 80s along the south, Tampa and south, and some upper 70s on the East Coast. Okay, this is going for Friday morning. Some upper 70s to lower 80s on the East Coast as well. Our daytime highs tomorrow will be from 87 in Pensacola, Pinellas City 89, Tallahassee 91, Jacksonville 92, Gainesville 92, Daytona 86, Orlando 90, Tampa 93, Sarasota 88, Port St. Lucie 86, West Palm 87, Cape Coral 92, and Miami at 93 degrees. Let's look at the heat index at that same time frame for tomorrow. Okay, let's look at that tomorrow. Okay, let's bring that back one. There we go. Okay. And our heat index, some upper 80s, some lower 70s around Palm Bay. That's due to, we'll see that here in a second with the thunderstorm chances and the cloud cover. We'll see that here in a second as well. And it looks like mid 90s for our heat index for tomorrow. So not quite as warm tomorrow, but still warm enough to be cautious about going outside, drinking plenty of water, getting in the shades, getting in the air conditions, checking on your pets and the elderly and the young. Let's go ahead and look at the cloud cover, and let's look at that. Oh, wait a minute here. Okay, this is tonight, and it's 100% cloudy for the most part of the state, except for Pensacola and a little bit of Pinellas City and a little bit of Tallahassee, but the rest and a little bit of just east of Cape Coral. But let's look for Friday. And as you can see, the cloud cover is moving south of us. But we're going to see here in a second. But look at all this cloud cover over here. This is where all the showers and thunderstorms are going to develop. We'll see that in the future cast here in a second. And we got some cloudiness all out in the Gulf and here too as well for tomorrow. Now let's look at our radar. Okay. Okay, that's 2 p.m. Let's go on skip. This is 10 o'clock. And like I said, them areas of showers, some light showers, but the showers and thunderstorms have the thunderstorms have diminished for tonight. This is the area for showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow. Going back up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They still linger on the East Coast. And slowly by 11 p.m. tomorrow, from 4 to 11 p.m. tomorrow, this area. And this is the area that the Severe Storm Prediction Center has issued a 1 out of 5 possibility of severe storms. We'll go over that here in a second when we look at the local radar. All right. So that's that one. Okay. Now let's look at this one. And right now, so this is Pinellas County. We might as well go ahead and do tonight's forecast. Tonight, mostly cloudy, a low of 75 northwest winds at 5 miles an hour, becoming calm in the evening. And for Friday's forecast, for my actual Friday's high, will be 92 and sunny skies with northwest winds at 3 to 7. That's because we're south of that front. All right. Now let's go back over here and look at Tampa Bay real quick. This is the area I'm talking about that has the showers and thunderstorms. The marginal risk is 1 out of 5, mainly for Highlands County and Eastern Polk County in my viewing listening area. Potential hazards are gusty damaging winds 5%, large hail 5%, and lightning tomorrow. So be extremely careful. We are seeing the radar. And let's take a look at what happened here in Pinellas County today. We're going to scroll that up. We had a high of 90 degrees and a morning low of 80 degrees. So, okay, hang on a second. Did we get any rain? They measure no rain at the airport where they took this reading from. So, but that is our official forecast highs. Now let's go down. Let's go down and look. Hang on a second. Now let's go. Why does that not keep doing that to me? Okay, let's take a look real quick. Okay, let's look at the actual temperatures. This is the Friday's temperatures. Like I said, it's going to be upper 80s to lower 90s around the coast, all the way down, mid 90s. But it's going to be cooler from Titusville down to Vero Beach, West Palm, and this whole area because of the showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow. Let's look at the heat index for our local area tomorrow. Around 100 is going to be the only 100 on our west coast for Fort Myers for tomorrow. And our low temperatures Thursday night going into Friday morning will be Chiefland, Gainesville, and Ocala, Crystal River, Brooksville, over to Daytona. You guys are on the lower to upper 60s. Rest of us in the mid 70s across the board. Let's look at rainfall. That's for today. And that's for tomorrow morning. Let's do Friday. Rainfall is mostly, like I said, down here where they're going to expect the heavier rains with the heavier thunderstorms possibilities. Alrighty. I'm sorry for the long forecast, but I'm trying to learn a new scheduling thing or a new product, how to stream better for you guys. And so with that being said, have a great evening, and I will see you on the next one. I'll see you tomorrow evening. And bye for now.